trying to save you $5,000. They're like, fool, you fired. Okay. All right. Anyways. All right. So we got that. So we ask those questions every time to a listing agent. We put them on speakerphone. Why do we do it? Because we promised our buyer we would give fiduciary obligation to them. We would do everything in our power. And you want them to hear it so they don't do what? Like the video, try to give a low ball, $350,000 house. We'll offer $299 because the market's going down. The market ain't going down. You know, market going down around here. It's just buyers are not taking it through the roof anymore because most of the buyers who already bought, they already bought. They had all the extra money. Now it's just back to regular. All right. The second piece is you have to know how to price a home, guys. I'm sorry. You got to know how to price a home. You got to know how to price a home. You have to know how to price a home. You have to. I'm sorry. So you could go in here because we have several pricing a home videos, how to price a home videos, pricing webinar. I think I did 1 million of them. And we walk you through how to price a home. You should use, I'm stopping this. You should use our training because if you know how to price a home and somebody's listing a home at 350 that you know is probably going to appraise because you're very good at pricing a home at 370, then you could really just give them an offer at 370 and tell them and ask them for $20,000 in closing costs. But we don't throw darts at a board, right? Because we know how to price homes, right? The home I'm in is a foreclosure. I bought for $119,000. It's worth 5 times that number, right? I will only buy homes that's not listed on MLS. That's how I buy homes. So I can't, right? We don't buy homes on MLS. Nobody buys homes on MLS that are trying to get deals. You buy homes off market. And you guys have been buying homes off market, but when you get in real estate, you forget that you even did that, right? Sell by owner owned this home. He's going through a rough time, foreclosure. Here I come, boop, 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 boop. Fresh off my own foreclosure, bankruptcy, repossession, and bought this house. How did I do it? Amazing. Right? Built my wife's credit, I think, bought it, just so you guys know. All right. That's how I did it. Yeah. We started stacking all over again. All right. So you got to know how to price a home. I don't know what else to tell you about that. We have videos in here. I think I've done, I don't know how many videos, Jill, 1 million, on how to price a home. I've priced every single home. Let me teach you how fast it takes to price a home. How about that? That's what I'm going to do for you. 1 second. Watch this. Who give me an address in Georgia? Anybody live in Georgia? You give me an address?
35. I'll give you one because it's just a deal that's out there. 35
Yeah.
Cub, CUB Lane, Covington.
35 Cub Lane, Covington. Watch how easy it is. What time is it on your clock right now? All right, let me clear this out real quick. Let me get set up because I got some pre-set up stuff with my stuff. But let me clear this out real quick. I want y'all to time me in a second. This how let me get this 35 days off. This is my express offer setup I do. All right.
No basement.
Let me get this out. I don't want nothing in here. Okay. Control. Boom. All right. Make sure I have nothing checked. I want y'all to time me in a second. All right. I got everything cleared out. All right.
All right.
11:00. Who? Somebody break out their stopwatch. Who?
I got it right now. Let me know when to go.
Oh, look at that.
Oh, you have to take off the active.
No, this is how y'all open it up. All right. So look, before I'm gonna tell you when to start. Actually, don't worry. I'm getting ready to show you how fast you can price a home driving. You ready? All right, Ashley, ready, go. She said 35 Cub Lane. All I care about is closed. I don't care about active in the last 6 months. And there's 3 houses. Watch this. I chose the homes that under my criteria, I chose the homes a half a mile away. Why? Because that's what an appraiser is going to do. Right?
Mm-hmm.
What happened to my stuff? That's all right. Keep timing that. It ain't going to slow me down.